Jieyang Yingdeli Cutlery Plastic Industrial Co. Limited, located in Jieyang City, Guangdong Province. Our company mainly focuses on the design, development, and production of high-grade stainless steel cutlery, with more than 30 years of professional production and export service experience. Since our establishment, we always adhere to the pursuit of excellent quality and good cost-effective business philosophy, and provide high-quality products and service to many domestic and foreign customers. Our factory covers an area of 75,000 square meters, has a professional R&D department, mature production lines, strict quality inspection standards. We accept personalized customization and provide ODM and OEM service. We have attained BSCI, SMETA, ISO 14001, ISO 9001, RCS, JLP Quality System certification. Welcome to visit our factory and negotiate business.